In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create design just like this, and like this. This called word cloud design. So first you have to go to this website named wordclouds.com. And when you come to this website, this is the old version. So I'm going to click right here on classic site. So right here on classic site, you can click right here to create a new word cloud. Click OK. And then now I'm going to create a new word cloud. First, I have to choose the word that I want to put on the design. Let's say I want to create the California state with all the cities. So this design, I will target people from California. So first I'm going to offline ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for 50 city from California. So as you could see, I already got my 50 cities, but if you leave them like that, I'm going to copy it and then go back to word cloud and then click on file, click on paste text. I'm going to press the text right here and then I'm going to click on apply. As you could see, there's all the name of the cities, all the cities from California. But secondly, I'm going to change the shape of the state to California. So to change the shape of this, as you could see, the shape that's not the size of California state. I'm going to choose the exact California state as the shape. So go on shape and then go on. First, let me change the background color. Click on color right here. Background black, I will change it to white. Then like this. As you can see, this is the United States shape, but I want to change it to California. So I'm going right here to the old version. It seems like this version is not showing all the state. So I'm going to use this version instead. So I'm going to word list. I'm going to file, new word cloud, random word cloud. I'm going to start from scratch and then go on word list, import from exact word from text. So I'm going to paste all these words right here. Here's the list of all those cities for California. Then click on apply. As you can see, here's how it looks right now. I'm going to change the shape. Go on shapes, select shapes, and then go on map, and then type in California. I think it's that one. Click on it, and then boom, it changed the shape to California. So if you want to show the background of the state a little bit more, you can go right here on, I think it's on shape option, and then shape mask opacity. If you increase this, you will see more of the state come out. Then here you can choose increase this so you can see the background of the state. If I click OK and then I close this, I don't know if you could see it, but it shows the background of the state more. And then if you go on color, you can change the color of the text. You can add more color. Here's some themes you can add if you like that one. I'm going to choose a little bit dark theme like that one right here. Then click apply. And then as you can see, they show the size of the shape. And then I'm going to increase the words so you can cover all of it. Boom, there you go. As you can see, here is the name of all those states. Now if you want to download this, when you're done, click on file, save. By the way, I'm going to show you one more step. If you want to change the type of font, you can click on font, and then you can change the font right here, and then click on select, and then you can add more font as well. Click on apply. As you will see, when you're done, just click on file, save as image HD, and then save as video, but I will choose HD save as image, and I'm going to choose PNG and then save. And then now your image is ready to download. That's all you create. Cloud World image for your t-shirt design or mugs or anything Print on Demand related. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.